Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Kaylan. I'm 27. I film a lot of work, lifestyle, productivity content. Today is Sunday. It's around 1 o'clock right now and I am feeling all of the scaries. I do have the Sunday scaries today. Sometimes I've actually been pretty good about managing my Sunday scaries, but tomorrow I have a really big work day. Next week is just a really big work week for me. For those of you who are new here, I'm a brand manager in influencer marketing. So essentially I help brands scale through influencer marketing on YouTube's platform. I absolutely love it. It obviously just goes so well with what I'm passionate about and what I love to do, but I just have a really big work week. Yeah, we had a really slow morning this morning. We went and got a coffee. We just kind of hung out with the girls a little bit, and now I'm I need to kick things in gear. I want to prep for the work week. I want to do some cleaning. I have to run to Target to get a few things. I need shampoo, conditioner. I also want to clean and organize my desk. My desk drawers are a mess. They are so unorganized, just because when I'm cleaning my desk, I just kind of tend to throw things in drawers and they're just a mess right now. So I want to do that before the work week. We have some laundry to do, some cleaning, just all of the things to get ready. We have a lot to do. It's a little bit later in the day, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I think we're gonna start with cleaning the kitchen. I think that's where I want to start. Someone who never wore gloves when I washed the dishes. I would just always wash my hands after, but then I saw a video on how wearing gloves like this and protecting your hands from the warm water, it actually helps prevent aging. So if you do the dishes without gloves like this, it actually can age your hands faster. And as soon as I saw that, I ordered a bunch of these from Amazon. I'm like, okay, gloves it is for the dishes. Dishes are done, counters are wiped off, we got all of the laundry off of the counters, folded and upstairs, and yeah, overall it just feels a lot better in here. Now we're gonna go downstairs and tackle this office. This is the current state of my office. It's really not that bad just looking at it, but I need to figure out something to do with all of this over here. So this is I have a camera bag, I have this little camera bag that goes right in here, but I don't really have any storage down here. So if you haven't seen my office before, I absolutely love it. Devin and I used to share an office in our last apartment, and now that we both work from home, we're always on meetings, it did not work. So I love having my own space. His office is all the way upstairs and mine is in our entryway, which it's actually designed to be an office. It's not I just put a desk in my entryway. It's a little cove or cubby for an office, but it's just an area in the entryway, so it always has to look nice, otherwise our entryway looks messy. And I don't have a closet or anything for my office things. The only thing I have is the coat closet, but that's obviously full of our winter coats and things, so I don't really have a lot of storage in here, and that's where I'm running into some issues and why I feel it always just feels a little messy. Only storage I have in here are my two Alex drawers from IKEA, and this is what I mean when it's super messy. I just have random things thrown in here. This bottom one's also really messy. It feels messier than it looks. It really doesn't look that bad, but even in here, it's just this is a really nice mic. I just have it thrown in here. I need to actually put it in the box. Okay, so here's my plan for desk organization. I think I'm gonna do all of my computer accessories in this drawer, just because I already have my extra keyboard in here. I already have some of my computer accessories in here. So I think I'm gonna do second drawer as solely computer accessories. I'm gonna do top drawer here. I'm gonna say my work to-do list and then my school notebooks. The other side is really my office supplies. This side is really my techie things, my camera accessories, cords, computer accessories. And then on that side is where I really keep my highlighters, pens, pencils, important documents, envelopes, more of my actual office supplies. And this is more of my accessories. I'm telling you
relax and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow.
The amount of cables that I had that were exactly the same, I probably, I'm not even kidding, had 10 USBs to USB-Cs, which is like kind of nice now because that's what the iPhone 16 uses, but I just had so many of the same cord and I'm like, I don't need all these. So I got rid of a lot of cords, a lot of the duplicates. I kept like 1 or 2 of the same cord and it is ready to go for the work week. It feels so much better. It's so much more organized. I also did get a new webcam for my computer too. I got this one off TikTok. It's like the Amit, I forget what it is, like C60, and I really, really like it. If I can find it, I'll link it down below. It doesn't look the best on top of here. Obviously, like the built-in webcam looks better, but quality on it is really good. So I'll link it down below for you guys. But office is ready to go for the work week. The only thing I need to do is have the girls open their bark box, and then I also need to look for a new candle or like kind of fix the decor on the bookshelves. But as far as like my actual desk goes, is wipe down, organize, and I've been meaning to do that forever. So I feel really good. I feel like we should be good on cleaning for the day. I wanted to show you guys some of the things that I got from Halara, and I want to give a huge thank you to Halara for sponsoring today's video. I was so excited when they reached out to me. I have a few things of Halara myself. I know a lot of you guys like Halara. I actually posted on my Instagram story maybe 2.5 weeks ago asking if you guys had any good activewear recommendations because I have been in need for some good new like workout clothes, but also athleisure clothes too. And a few of you guys mentioned them as well. The big reason why I do really support them is because of their philosophy. So their philosophy is around that true joy doesn't come from trying to be number one. It comes from really finding harmony within yourself, embracing yourself, and that authentic growth. Their persona, if you will, like the Halara woman who wears their clothes. I have it right here so I can make sure that I get it right, but the Halara woman, she's radiant with optimism and confidence. She's sure of her path. She's not trying to become somebody else, and she's really making pursuits on her own terms and not for someone else. She really dresses with a sense of ease, but never takes it easy. She is perfectly imperfect, defying all expectations with intelligence and intention. And I absolutely love that. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. As always, everything will be linked down below. They did also give me a discount code, so if you use code Kaylan Kerbler, again, save some money and it will get you 20% off all full price items. Okay, I have the first 2 pieces on. I decided instead of like just like showing them up and putting a video of me like trying them on, I thought it'd be fun to just kind of like talk through them together. And so I'm actually gonna try every piece on and just kind of like talk about the fit and the feel. Something about Halara too is they have a fabric technology. So their fabric is designed to be really soft and stretchy, but also like obviously very comfortable, breathable, and durable. So everything is like super stretchy. It's super soft. It's not like super tight or restrictive. This is the first top I got. It's like in this really light pink color. I tried to step out of my comfort zone, which you'll see, and get some other colors. You guys know I gravitate towards like tans, blacks, and whites, but I wanted to switch it up a little bit, and so I thought this pink color would be really pretty for the gym. Thumb holes, which I absolutely love. This is probably the shortest I would go, but it's not too short. And these pants are so flattering. Let me actually lower the camera so you can see. They have a crisscross waist. I've never had a pair of like leggings or yoga pants like this with pockets. And this is what they look like from the side, from the back. They also have a cute little slit. I am like, this color is so pretty. This is definitely something that I normally would not pick out for myself. One thing I will say is that everything that I show you guys comes in a bunch of other colors. So they have a ton of different color variations. They have like blues, pinks, greens, and your neutral colors. But like I said, I'm like trying to kind of step out of my comfort zone a little bit, especially because I do already have like a lot of like white and black pieces. This is a color that I normally wouldn't gravitate to, but I love it. Like, it is so pretty. It's like very bright and bold, but it's not too like bright and bold, if that makes sense. Once again, it does have the thumb holes, and it also has built-in pads, which is really nice. The pants, I did get another pair of like flare leggings yoga pants. These ones though don't have the cross. They're just more of like your standard flare yoga pant. They don't have the slit or anything, but still just like a really good basic to have. Okay, the next thing that I got is this top. I did keep the same pants on, so these are the same flare leggings. Like the perfect kind of like muted green, kind of like sage color. It does also once again have built-in pads, but you guys, the back on this is so pretty. You have like this like cute little slit that just adds a nice little detail. And once again, because it does have the built-in pads, you don't have to worry about like wearing a bra or that showing right here. This is something that I would feel comfortable with just like a pair of tennis shoes on wearing out. Like I normally don't feel that way and you guys know that, but I just feel like really comfortable in this. Yeah, this little outfit together. So cute for the summer. I just realized I got this in white as well. When I was ordering this, I must have known that because of the length and everything that I would really, really like it. So I did get it in 2 colors. Like I said, everything comes in a bunch of other colors. So I did also get it in white. So the next 2 things that I got is this black tank top and these leggings. I love the color of these leggings. I wanted to go with something that wasn't black just because I did already get 2 black pair of the flare like leggings, and then I also do have some other just like traditional black leggings. You can probably tell the difference between the leggings and the top. And then this tank top actually also has built-in pads. I did not realize that their stuff, a lot of it already has built-in pads. Next thing that I got was a pair of shorts. I've never tried their shorts before, so I wanted to try them. And I really like these. I love the fact that they have the tight shorts underneath, especially because they are like kind of like bigger, flowier shorts. It's nice that you have this underneath so that way you don't have to worry. They do also have a drawstring waist and they're just like really good workout, kind of like athletic shorts. So that is everything that I got. I am so excited. Like I just tried it on for the first time with you guys together and I really needed like a refresh in my athleisure. Like I said, like activewear clothes. Devin and I were actually at the mall yesterday and I was looking around. And I didn't end up getting anything because I knew I had this haul, and I'm really glad I didn't because that is like, I got my leggings, different tops, tank tops, different style of tops that I don't have, and I love every single thing. So I believe everything that I got is in a size small. They have a ton of different sizing options, which I absolutely love too, ranging from extra small to 4X. And the price on everything, you guys, is also really good for the quality. Like that is their goal. They do try to make everything affordable without sacrificing that quality. And last thing here, if you are interested, definitely make sure to go check out the Halara Circle event. They allow their customers to get a first look and feel of their latest designs for free, which is crazy. After you try one of their upcoming products, they just ask you to share your feedback on where they can improve to make sure, you know, they're always making the best quality products for their customers, the best designs. So that way they can always make sure that they're optimizing and making the best products for you and I. So they will all be linked in the description box down below. And don't forget to use code Kaylan Kerbler for 20% off your order on all full priced items. It is a little bit later. Devin and I ran to Target and I got some shampoo, conditioner, some body moisturizer. And then we picked up some food, had dinner, and now I am starting on my homework, which I should have done. I should have done it yesterday. I've been trying to get my homework done on Saturdays because they're due, or my assignments are due every Sunday at 11:59. But the last 2 Sundays, I've waited to do this until Sunday night, and I regret it every time. So next week, I'm gonna get this done earlier. We were pretty busy yesterday. But yeah, I'm gonna sit here and do some homework. I obviously am like in my PJs. I'm kind of ready for bed, honestly, and it's 7:30. I could honestly go to sleep right now. But I ordered some things from Amazon, some more skincare that I wanted to show you guys. If you watch my videos, I think I've talked about both of these. Oh wait, I forgot I ordered this. I literally ordered this morning and I forgot what I ordered. I ordered 3 different skincare items from Amazon. 2 out of the 3 of them I've already tried. I got the Medicube Deep Vita C pad. So the last ones I used were their zero pore pads, which I've used in the past too. I really like their vitamin C pads. I don't really notice too much of a difference with their zero pore pads, but with their vitamin C pads, I feel like my skin just like looks extra like bright and I just notice the biggest difference when I use the vitamin C ones. So I got more of these. This is my daily moisturizer that I've been using for honestly a while now, at least like 4 or 5 months, maybe I would say. I think this is my 3rd or 4th one. This is the Vanny Cream Daily Moisturizer. It has hyaluronic acid and ceramides in it. I really like this. It's a very simple moisturizer, but but I've liked to keep my moisturizer simple and then add in my active ingredients with other skincare. So I really like this one. It's very affordable. I think it's like $15. You can get it on Amazon. You can get it at Target. And this I'm really excited about. I haven't tried this, but I'm sure we've seen it all over like TikTok, Instagram. It is the Medicube Collagen Night Wrapping Mask. So it's one of those masks that like you put on before you go to bed, and then it like dries down on your face, and then you wake up and peel it off, and it's like the clear mask. Interested to see how I like this one. It has collagen extract. It says it fills the skin with moisture. It has niacinamide, ceramide, smooth and firms the skin overnight. I will keep you guys updated on how I like this, but this is my little Amazon skincare haul that I'm going to use tonight before we go to bed. But anyways, I need to do a few things. So I'm gonna do my homework like I said, but I'm also gonna go through and like just like kind of read my work emails, like kind of probably work on work for like 30 minutes. This is one of the best ways that I found to combat Sunday scaries. This is how I've been spending my Sunday nights, is working on homework and also getting a little bit of a head start for the work week.